Is someone crapping their pants?
Somewhere, someone out there has to be. I mean, I was going to use the S word, but because I don't want to get in trouble at work or anything.
Yeah.
The real term is someone is S-ing their pants, to be honest with you. And you know that feeling when you're like, oh, this small gag or prank wasn't smart after all. I'm actually in big trouble. I've had that feeling a couple times in high school, getting caught doing random things. And I know the feeling. This is a bigger level, though, because you pissed off BlackRock and the government. And BlackRock, obviously, then you actually caused the price of XRP to go up. So could we talk about like actual manipulation? The forgery, though, of a BlackRock's person's like not their signature, but I don't know how that works, but it seems like forgery could be at play here. And I don't know, it just seems like not worth it to me. But I just called BlackRock when I saw that. It was on the site, so I did that first, and I was like, could this really be real? It didn't feel real. But then again, I didn't think they'd file for an Ethereum ETF that quickly either, to be honest. So I'm like, well, and it looked exactly like that one, which was from 4 days ago. So there was a lot of patterns that look fine, like, pattern, and then pattern. But then I called BlackRock to check, and they were like, no, this is false, and you can say that. So then later that day, I spoke to them again, and then I spoke to them again because I was like, it's still on there. And then I didn't break it, but somebody else broke it. The Delaware, what you call it, Attorney General or the Department of Justice was looking into it, and that's the crapping of the pants quote I gave, because you get the like serious lawyers now, and how hard is it to just trace how somebody typed it up? But I got to say I thought it was pretty obvious. I thought that I'm working at Bloomberg. I have a relationship with BlackRock. If I say that, it's probably true. Amazing the amount of people who could not accept it. I guess they really wanted XRP to stay at this higher level. And part of me and other people saying it's not true caused it to go back down. And I guess that upset people, but I'm just the messenger here. I don't really care. I'm just telling you that this is false. That's what they said. So there was this like whole 24-hour period where people were questioning, who is this guy? He's lying. BlackRock lied to him. And it was like tinfoil hat land. And somebody goes, oh, well, I see you've met the XRP army. And, when covering all of this, I've interacted with the Bitcoin maxis. I'm getting my feel for the sort of planet of crypto. And I never stepped into the XRP area. And man, it was like, kind of stepping into like a fire ant nest or something. It's just, whoa, they came out of the woodwork, and they were pretty brutal, to be honest. It was they were fired up, and they just wouldn't accept no for an answer. And BlackRock even tweeted it out today that this is false. And I still had somebody saying, I don't believe them.